Hi, in this video, I will be showing problem number 10 and 11 of the Practice Exam 2 on chapter 4 and 5. Problem number 10. Factor completely 9u cube v minus 25uv. In these two terms, we have to pull out the greatest common factor. So in both terms, you find u and v common. So pull that out. Then inside the parentheses, you'll write 9u square. So if you multiply 9u square and uv, you get 9u cube v. Same way, you are left with negative 25 for the second term. If you multiply negative 25 with uv, you get the second term negative 25uv. Then the problem says factor completely. So you have to further factor this uv, and you notice these two terms as difference of two squares. So you can write them as 3u square minus 5 square, which are difference of two squares. So uv, if you apply the formula for difference of squares, it is 3u plus v times 3u minus v. The hint in the problem, the formula that you use is a square minus b square equal to a minus b times a plus b. So the answer is uv times 3u plus 5 times 3u minus 5. Problem number 11. Solve for y. 5y square equal to negative 9y minus 4. Because the question is solved, we have to arrive at the value for y. So first collect all the terms to one side and make the right hand side to 0. So 5y square, if you move the negative 9y over to the left hand side, it becomes positive 9y. If you move the negative 4 on the right hand side to left hand side, it becomes positive 4. The right hand side becomes 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So you factor the terms. First consider the first and the last, which is 20. If you multiply, you have to split the middle term into two parts. When you add up, you get a 9y. When you multiply, you get 20y square. So it is 5y square plus 9y can be written as 5y plus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. Now you group the terms, first two terms together, the second two terms together. In the first two, 5y is common. You are left with y plus 1 in the parentheses. The second two terms, 4 is common. Inside you are left with y plus 1 equal to 0. Now in these two terms, y plus 1 is a common factor which can be pulled out. Then inside you can write whatever is left in the first and the second term. 5y from the first, 4 from the second, equal to 0. Because the question is solved, we have to set each one of them to 0, each one of the factors to 0, and solve for y. Y equal to negative 1 and y equal to negative 4 over 5. Hope this video helps.